we were also talking yesterday about the anti-political dynasty bill. There are about 20 versions of the bill that's pending in the lower house right now, which they're gonna which they have started debating. And yesterday we were talking to Justice Adolf Ascuna, and I asked him if the framers of the Constitution should have included the definition of a political dynasty to begin with, so we don't find ourselves in this space where we're debating up to what degree of consanguinity. What do you think?
Well, that was an issue that was discussed in the Constitutional Commission, Regina. Should we define the meaning of political dynasty? You have to state what degree of affinity or consanguinity. But at the time, I see now the wisdom of defining it, today. But at that time, we could not define it because the situation was very politically volatile. It was turbulent because of the coup d'etat. So we decided that we leave it to Congress, believing that Congress will be patriotic and be wise enough to define right away after the ratification of the Constitution. But we were mistaken, Regina. We were mistaken. So nagkamali po kami, nagkulang po kami, pero ang nakita po ngayon, dapat na-define na.
Sir, how would you have wanted it defined?
If we could take you back to that time.
Well, we have an extensive discussion on political dynasty in the Constitutional Commission, meaning the relatives occupying positions and affecting governance and public accountability. So relying on the intent of the discussion, we could define what political dynasty is. But we have never defined the limits, the degree of affinity or consanguinity. So drawing from the intent, we can define what political dynasty is.
For example, sir, to what degree of consanguinity or affinity would you want to, if you were to be given the choice, to what degree would you want it to be limited to?
Well, Ed, that has to be studied carefully, because up to what extent yung influence ng ating mga political dynasties, sa mag-asawa lang ba, sa magkapatid, sa pamangkin, kahit na sa mga apo. So that has to be carefully weighed and studied, Ed. I think I'm not in a position right now to state up to what degree of affinity or consanguinity. So yan po. The studies of organizations on fat dynasty, obese political dynasty, and thin political dynasty will be most helpful, Ed.
Yes, sir. Ang dami na kasing nuancing involved eh. Like in our discussions with various resource persons that we've talked to, for example, ang gusto ng House Speaker, may clustering. Kumbaga, hindi pwede kamag-anak po tumakbo doon sa, for example, ikaw mayor, jurisdictions. Sa probinsya, hindi pwede yung mga kamag-anak po tumakbo to what, third degree of consanguinity?
Fourth degree.
Kay Speaker? Fourth degree. Ganon. Pero sa kabilang probinsya, pwede. O kabilang rayon, pwede. So may mga ganong ano.
Kaya may proposal na gawing regional. Regional yung prohibition.
That's why it's complicated, Kesa Concon at that time, because of the situation of Juritas, we have no luxury of time to make the definition and to make the fine distinction. So, yung pong dahilan kung bakit hindi po na-define.
Hindi yung you trusted lawmakers too much.
Well, I think so.
Sabi sa amin ni Christian Munson.
Yes. I think I think we trusted too much. Thinking that after the EDSA revolution, may pagbabago na ang pananaw, ang attitude, pero well, nagkamali po kami.